Hi, welcome to SmokeFree Life. Your journey of self-transformation, of becoming smoke-free forever starts here and now. And myself, Dr. Ankush, and I welcome you all on this amazing journey of not only self-transformation, but self-discovery as well. Many of our previous patients, those who have attended the program, either live or online with me, they say that it's not only smoking cessation, it's not only overcoming this challenge of smoking, in fact, it is life transforming for you. So I invite you all to pay absolute attention when you are watching these videos and do all the exercises as I instruct you. Complete your homework and assignments, whatever I'm going to give you. And I assure you, once you do them correctly as instructed, once you do them as you progress through the course, you are going to experience certain very beautiful inner transformations, which will not only be limited to becoming smoke-free. In fact, they will start manifesting in various arenas, various domains of your life. Not limited to personal emotional mastery, relationship excellence, and staying more relaxed, becoming more confident, so that you become a role model for the society by not only quitting smoking, but becoming a person one always desire for, staying more happy, more relaxed, more confident, nurturing relationships, and being looked upon wherever you go. So with this note, I welcome you all, and it's my absolute pleasure to take you all through this journey of becoming smoke-free forever. I started this journey myself when I quit smoking way back in 2017. And I was wondering that what could help me quit can help others also quit. Because the thought pattern, the thinking pattern, the tools, the techniques which I discovered when I made various attempts to quit smoking. These tools and techniques, when I started applying to other patients, I got absolutely wonderful and amazing results. So here is my invitation to you, that come with me on this journey with an open mind and having a belief. Yes, this time we will do it, and it's going to be easy and effortless on your part. Thank you so much, and start your course.